What's up? So, it's my birthday today. Yeah, thank you sa tanan nag-greet. And tinanong ko sa iyo tag sa tanan. But sa mga nangutan na, I'm now 25 years old. So, yeah, gubot pa kayong balay and I will have to clean them up later and rearrange some things kay natin mga bisita. Nothing fancy, wala hikay. But we'll be having a podcast. We will shoot one or two maybe and talk about some important things and not forget to have fun because it's very important na sa atong edad karon kay focus na lang tag work permi. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? So I'm currently having my coffee lunch break and last rest for today before mag sulo sa gubat. So awa kaya pa kayo papagid mahipos mga gamit. And there's my page, my channel. Yeah, napalimpyo. Napang table, napa dito kong bag. So a lot of things that we have to do. But later, relax ata. Okay. Ada?
Okay.
Dito daw. Dito daw kaya. Para makuha na ko. Kansyanin ako. So, let's go!
Let's go!
Yep. Manan, may set up tanan. And we're just waiting for Kan. And we will shoot an MA Talk podcast. Then after that, 30-minute break. Then, Youth Companions 4. Let's go!
Let's go!
Yeah!
Yay!
What's up?
Ano day? Mga podcast.
So, this will be our hand sign.
Hindsight.
Yeah, for Oponganon podcast. Kay magkaanam na may kadaghan. We started 2. Yan na tayo pang-add puhon. Daghan na ganahan mo sud. Okay?
Yes!
Padulan na to sila. Kiss ni Jim. Lungtad man sa takta na mga 3 years magkabit.
Pero ginanay ko dili podcast.
So,
Let's go!
mana mong first podcast, MA Talks. And padun na ta sa
Ato ang Youth Companion
4.
4.
Yeah. Nice. Ato sila pakuratan ha, magtuksido bing doon jepa. Mas uy, gusto mo na unfair man eh. Oh, namong tripping ron.
Sampa na.
Sapa nga. Tanong sa lida. Lagi.